Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to send a sticker on the WhatsApp app for PC using the new update. Whether you're chatting with friends or keeping things fun at work, stickers add personality and excitement to any conversation. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp desktop app installed and logged in. Once that's ready, open the app on your computer. You'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the chat where you want to send a sticker. It can be an individual chat or a group, whichever you prefer. Now, inside the chat window, look toward the bottom right corner. You'll notice a small smile face icon next to the typing area. Go ahead and press on that icon. This is where all your emojis, GIFs, and stickers live. After clicking the smile face, you'll see some different options appear. Look for the Stickers tab. It usually appears as a small square icon that looks like a folded sticker. Click on that and your sticker collection will load instantly. Take a moment to scroll through your stickers. You can explore any that you've downloaded before or find packs you like to make your messages more expressive. Once you find the perfect one for the mood, simply press on the sticker you want to send. And that's it. The sticker will instantly appear in your chat. You don't need to press enter or confirm anything, it sends automatically. With WhatsApp's new update, sending stickers on PC is smoother than ever, and everything syncs with your mobile app too. So any stickers you download or use on your phone will also appear on your computer, keeping your chats consistent across both devices. So now you know how to send a sticker on WhatsApp from your PC. Try it out today and make your conversations more expressive than ever. Thanks for watching.